All right, time to talk a little weather right now, and there are no shortage of topics to talk about with Elise Finch, who is in for John this noon. Elise, let's hand it over to you. There was a lot going on, and boy, I tell you, just what we don't want right now, another nor'easter.
I know, as so many people are still struggling to recover, this is the last thing we need, but it is indeed what we have. So first, I want to start in checking in with some of our weather watchers and see what they are reporting at 12:20 this afternoon. Temperature-wise, we are looking at a pretty mild day. I mean, look at these numbers. Lots of 40s, even a 50 out there. This is Anthony. He's in Cedar Grove. He says it's 45 degrees where he is, and he says calm before the storm, and he's absolutely right. Let's take a look outside. It is pretty nice out there. We started out with clear skies. We're now starting to see a little bit of cloud cover moving in, but overall it's a nice day. We've got mostly sunny skies, 46 degrees, winds right now out of the north at 5 miles per hour. But this is what's going to change things for us. Higher pressure has been dominating our weather. That's why we saw some pretty nice conditions, but this particular system, area of low pressure, cold front. So as the front approaches, we start to see the clouds increase. This energy from the southern piece of this system spawns a low off the Carolina coast. It works its way north. That becomes our nor'easter. So we turn on the future cast at 7 o'clock tonight. That's when we start to see the first bit of the wet weather really starting to work its way into the area. For a lot of us, it starts as rain, because it'll be warm enough to support rain, and then as things cool down, it changes over to snow. So mixes with snow, you see the pink there, then changing over to snow. For some of our northern and western suburbs, it starts as a snow event and remains a snow event. Now you'll notice 7 o'clock in the morning, this particular model is saying, hey, we've got a ton of rain still with this system. Now we've gone from rain to mixing back to rain. So this is going to keep some of those snow totals down. But again, we change back, and as you see on Wednesday afternoon, we're talking about a snow event that stays pretty robust through Wednesday evening, and then this entire system doesn't actually exit, at least according to this, until Thursday morning. So as a result, we do have a couple of things. Snow, the impacts will be moderate to high, wind also moderate to high, but coastal flooding will be low to moderate. As far as the numbers, 6 to 10 inches of snow for a good portion of the area. 3 to 6, though, at the areas that you see here in white, but 6 is closer to the areas in the city. As you head farther east, the 3 inches, and then, of course, the bullseye, 10 to 15. The National Weather Service has issued winter storm warnings for most of the tri-state area. They go into effect at 10 o'clock tonight. They remain in effect until 4 o'clock Thursday morning. Future wind gusts, we could easily see 40, approaching 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. That's in the city. So as far as our power outage index, this is something that generates by itself, and you can see, we'll call it low, but in so many of these areas, they already have power outages, so this is going to delay some progress for us. 46 degrees, that's our high temperature today. Get done as much as you possibly can. Tonight, the rain and the snow start, although it will be pretty light. Tomorrow, light through the morning, and then things really ramp up tomorrow afternoon and evening. The good news is on the backside of the system, temperatures in the 40s, so good news for people who are cleaning up and for melting the snow.
Okay, yeah, it'll be nice to see those warmer temperatures, but we got that one day. It's gonna be difficult. All right, Elise, thank you.